Credit card debt is eating your financial future. Let me give you some tips on what I did to pay off all my credit cards. Typically, you're going to be paying between 15 and 30% interest on credit cards, and it will eat your financial future. There are some very basic steps that you can take that will get you out of credit card debt. Trust me, 20 years ago, I was in credit card debt, and I used these very steps to get myself out of debt and have not been in credit card debt since. So let's take a look at a couple of things. Number one, you need to write down every dime that you spend for a 30-day period. You need to find out where you're bleeding financially and fix it. And the only way to do that is to know exactly what you're spending every single month. Write down each of your credit card payments, what the interest rate is and what the current balance is. And you can see an example on this chart and why it's going to be so important. The way to get out of credit card debt is to take the smallest balance, so you can see in this example, of $500, even though it's at a 10% interest rate with a $30 payment, you want to pay that credit card off first. Then look at the next credit card. It's a $1,000 balance, but at a 25% interest. You still want to keep paying on that first one. Once you've done that, then you want to take what you've been paying on that first credit card, combine it with you're currently paying on the second credit card, and start combining those payments. So instead of just paying $60 a month, you're now paying $90 a month onto that credit card, and you do that consistently. And then just as you pay that one off, you go to the next one with the lowest balance, and then the next one with the lowest balance. But always attack the lowest balance first. Don't look at the interest rate. Something that will help you is when you need to make a budget, cut back wherever you can. You don't need a cable television. There are a lot of things that you can cut back. I found out by doing this that I was spending over $100 a month in coffee up at the local coffee store. You need to stop spending that and apply that to your credit card. The other thing that you can do is get a side hustle on the weekends, whether that's going to garage sales and reselling, but do something to get those credit cards paid off fast. It took you a while to get into credit card debt. It's going to take you time to get out, but with this plan, I promise you, you will get out of credit card debt and you will have a financial future ahead of you. I know what it's like to be in credit card debt. I have been there. I was in so much credit card debt, more than what some people make in a year, but I did these steps. I was able to get out of credit card debt over 20 years ago, and I haven't been back there since. I promise you, if you take these steps, you will get out of credit card debt. It's going to help you when you want to buy a home. And if you already are a homeowner and you're facing debt like this will help to make sure that your monthly outflow is not as stressful as it is right now. I know the stress that you're under with credit card debt, but follow these steps and you will be able to succeed in getting out of that debt. Have a great day. If you need help, please feel free to reach out to me.